Hello and welcome to a video made in partnership with Sci Files and Flavourful Science, where we will be learning about how food becomes waste. This video is part 2 of a 2-part digestion video series. If you want to follow along with the activity, you will need the following materials: a banana, some bread, vinegar, gloves, a paper cup, a pen or marker, stockings, a bowl, and a plastic bag. Start by watching our first video and creating your own stomach sludge. We are going to start this video with combining our 2 bags of stomach contents into one. Then, take the stockings and cut one end. You should end up with a closed end, the foot of the stockings or tights, and an open end. This fabric is going to act as our intestines. Next up, put on some gloves if you want to, because this is about to get messy. Carefully pour the stomach contents into the stocking. Next, carefully begin to squeeze the stocking, wringing water out of it. This is going to be our demonstration of peristalsis. Peristalsis refers to the process where muscles in our intestines squeeze. In our intestines, we have 2 layers of muscles. One circular layer that wraps in a circular manner around our intestines, and one longitudinal layer that has muscles that run in the same direction as our intestines. The circular muscles contract, causing the food to be pressed down and formed into small pieces. The longitudinal muscles bring the food down towards the exit. With your hands, try and recreate these 2 movements, pulling down the stocking and squeezing it. What do you observe about the food? What is leaving the intestine and what is staying inside? The intestines have a very important role when it comes to water reabsorption. This is where excess water gets recycled back into the body. The waste, however, is later excreted as feces. What do you think happens if too much water is removed from the feces, or too little? Next up, get your cup ready. You are going to demonstrate how food leaves the small intestine into the large intestine. Here, cut a small hole in the cup, then cut a small hole in the stocking. Carefully try and squeeze the contents of the stocking out into the bowl through the large intestine. The large intestine helps push food out of the body where it becomes waste, known as feces or poop. What do you think of this? Gross, right? Thank you for watching this Flavourful Science and Sci Files video collaboration. If you would like to see more, check out the rest of our food science playlist below.